Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I told you how to set thumbnail and tag on YouTube videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. So friends, let's start the video without further ado. As I said before, if you do not have the YouTube Studio app installed, then you go to the Play Store and download the app. Then open the YouTube Studio application. After opening it, you will see such an interface. Then you click on your profile. After opening it, you will see such an interface. Click on the pen icon that appears in the display middle. If your previously uploaded video does not have a good description, give it a description from now on. Then click on the pen icon you see on the left. After opening it, you will see such an interface. If you have not verified the number, then you will not be able to put thumbnail. I have given the link on how to verify the number in the description box. You can see if you want. Then click on Custom Thumbnail. Then select the photo from the thumbnail gallery. If you don't know how to make a thumbnail, comment, I will make a video for it. Finally, exit by clicking the Save button. Hope you like the video. If the point from this video is only useful, then you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. Lot of thanks for you.